Hey crafters, welcome back to Sandie Crafts. Today we're learning how to curve text on Cricut Design Space. So first, open the Cricut Design Space on your laptop or PC. Next, open a new project by clicking on the upper right corner of your Cricut Design Space. Open up a text box. I like it bold, but you can keep it regular if you want. Next, pick out a font that will suit your project. In this example, I will pick Atletica. Type in your text, so I will write "Love is all we need" for this example. I also like changing the color just to spice the design up, and so I can imagine what the end design will be like. You can also make it bigger for you to better visualize it. Next, on the top of the Cricut Design Space, you will see the Curve tool. Click on that and you will have an option to move the slider right or left. If you move the slider to the right, the text will curve downward. And when you move the slider to the left, the text will curve upward. You can experiment on this to make your project the twist that you're looking for. And that's it. Easy peasy. Thank you for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe for more Cricut tips. Happy crafting!